Installing the STERLING Prevail Shower Door. Before you begin, refer to the installation and care instructions for important safety information. For the installation, you will need the following tools and materials: drill with assorted bits, scissors, safety glasses, Phillips and bladed screwdrivers, measuring tape, pencil, level, vacuum, tin snips, file, 100% silicone sealant, masking tape, 32 teeth per inch blade hacksaw, miter box. Before you begin, confirm your walls are within 3/8 inch of plumb. Cover the drain with tape to avoid the loss of small parts. Follow the silicone sealant manufacturer's instructions for application and curing time. Measure the distance between the bath or shower sidewalls above the corner radii. Mark this measurement on the bottom track. Measure inward 1/4 inch from your last mark. Mark this measurement on the bottom track. This is your cut line. Place the bottom track in a miter box. Cut the bottom track on the cut line. File the bottom track edges as needed to fit the curved corners of the shower or bath unit. If the threshold is uneven, bend the bottom track to conform to the threshold to eliminate gaps. Center the bottom track on the ledge with the front facing the outside. Check to make sure the bottom track and wall jamb sit flat against the shower ledge and the wall. If needed, use a coin to match and transfer the corner radius of the shower to the wall jamb. Trim and file the wall jamb. Position the wall jambs over the bottom track. Plumb both wall jambs using a level. Secure the wall jambs with tape. Confirm the distance from the wall jamb to the outside of the shower ledge is the same for both wall jambs. Mark the location of the bottom track. Recheck plumb using a level. Mark each location of the screw holes with a drill bit or other sharp object. Remove the wall jambs. Using a 5/16 inch drill bit, drill a hole into each marked location. Bend the anchors as shown. Insert anchors into each hole. Clean any debris. Apply sealant to the underside of the bottom track. Position the bottom track on the ledge at the marks, with an even gap on each side. Measure and mark the center line of the bottom track. Apply silicone sealant to the bottom of the center guide. Align the center of the center guide with the marked location on the bottom track. Install the center guide to the bottom track. Assemble bumpers to the top and bottom screws. Loosely attach both wall jambs with the screws. Position the bumpers horizontally. Tighten the screws until the wall jambs are secure. Install covers over each screw. Remove the tape. Measure the distance between the wall jambs. Transfer the measurement to the seal. Cut the seal with scissors at the marked location. Press the seal into place. Use tape to secure the center guide and seal in place to allow the sealant to properly adhere. If time allows, allow the sealant to cure. Measure the distance between the walls above the wall jambs. Mark this measurement on the top track. Position the saw blade 1/32 of an inch inward from the mark. Cut the top track. Position the top track over the wall jambs. The top track is reversible. Either side may be installed to the front. Identify the outside panel by the holes in the sides of the frame. Loosely attach the rollers to the outside panel. Position the rollers at the same height in the middle of the slots and tighten. Attach the rollers on the handle side of the inside door panel. Position the rollers at the same height in the middle of the slots and tighten. Standing outside the shower, lower the bottom of the inside panel into the shower. Lift the panel, tilting the top toward you. Hook the rollers onto the inside rail. Ensure the bottom of the panel engages the center guide. Lift the outside panel, tilting the top away from you. Hook the rollers onto the outside rail. Ensure the bottom of the panel engages the seal. Confirm the doors are correctly positioned. Install the brackets to the towel bar with the angled surface to the outside. Secure the towel bar to the outside of the outside panel using the provided screws. Install the covers onto the screws. Check doors for smooth operation. If adjustments are needed, remove the door panels and reposition the rollers in each slot. If the bottom track interferes with the door panel, raise the door panel by lowering the rollers in each slot. If the door panel does not engage with the seal or center guide, lower the door panel by raising the rollers in each slot. Remove the tape from the bottom track only. Seal the outside of the shower using silicone sealant along the entire length of the wall jambs and the bottom track. Apply silicone sealant along the inside of the wall jambs and where the wall jambs meet the bottom track. Allow the sealant to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions. After the sealant has cured, remove the tape from the center guide.